I'd like to clarify na agad-agad sinecure yung CCTV sa Senate. Marami pong theories, marami pong haka-haka, maraming nagpupush ng narrative, no? Isa sa unang sinabi sa akin ni Secretary Gilbert Remulla, ni Secretary John Vic Remulla, ay pagdating sa Senate, we will secure the Senate, we will make sure that everyone's safe. Sabi niya, Senate President, or kilala naman niya ako, so sabi niya, Alan, please make sure may access kami at na-secure yung CCTV. So as soon as I saw the Sergeant at Arms, sinabi ko na parating dito si Secretary Remulla, make sure that in front of them, makita nila yung CCTV, tapos may dalawang kopya. May kopya tayo, may kopya sila. Pangalawa ko sinabi po sa Sergeant at Arms, of course mabilis po to, so as far as I can recall, joint investigation to. Kailangan full transparency. Hindi pwede natin sabihin jurisdiction natin to, so tayo lang mag-iimbestiga. Klarong-klaro po yon na sinabi natin na to be transparent at naibigay ka agad to sa PNP at DILG.